Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your JIS News for Friday, January 31. The Ministry of Health is assuring the public that necessary inspections continue at key food establishments, even as some public health inspectors in the corporate area remain off the job. Kingston and St. Andrew public health inspectors, represented by the Jamaica Association of Local Government Officers, JADCO, are reportedly refusing to use their personal vehicles for work purposes. The Health Ministry says it's employing a range of measures to continue operations while trying to resolve the impasse. The work is being facilitated by Public Health Department vehicles and assigned drivers. In addition, the Kingston and St. Andrew Public Health Department has engaged retired public health inspectors to help where there are challenges. Efforts to improve the management and care of children with cancer are being strengthened at the Bustamante Hospital for Children. Partnering with Columbia University in New York, the hospital is securing additional training for medical professionals in pediatric oncology. Health Minister Dr. Fenton Ferguson says the initiative is important to achieving some significant goals.
But in looking at cancer, we have taken a decision to look at it along the complete continuum, starting from screening to diagnosis, all the way to palliative care. And we have been working steadfast in that regards.
He said the ministry was working on introducing the HPV vaccine that prevents infections associated with cancer. Additionally, 2 linear accelerators for radiation treatment should be in place within the next 12 months so that vulnerable persons can get treatment. Meanwhile, residents of James Hill and adjoining communities in Clarendon are now enjoying greater access to primary health care. The National Health Fund recently financed the construction of a new Type 2 health center in the area at a cost of $41 million. It's one of several being built or upgraded in keeping with the government's priority focus on enhancing primary health care.
Today we are over 100. And in building this network of centers, and in dealing with the primary renewal process, this center is yet another good example.
Government is to embark on a logistics hub public education campaign across Jamaica. Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton says the recent logistics hub symposium revealed that many Jamaicans were still in the dark about aspects of the initiative. The campaign is to take the form of mobile roadshows and will include several public entities.
We will roll into towns all across Jamaica and set up shop for a day or two to offer the raft of services available through these agencies, while educating them on their role, as well as opportunities in relation to the logistics hub and the economy as a whole.
Mr. Hilton was speaking on Wednesday at a post-logistics hub symposium press briefing. Technology Minister Philip Paulwell says government is moving to ensure that the over 200 secondary schools outfitted with computer labs are equipped with broadband internet services.
We believe that the price of broadband is too high, so we are going to make sure that the schools are properly equipped. When you have access to information, you really are embracing the potential for tremendous wealth.
Minister Paulwell was speaking at the recent opening of an ICT community access point in Rosetown, St. Andrew. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is making good on her announced intent to give more attention to rural development. Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner recently announced the appointment of an officer responsible for rural healthcare infrastructure development. Prime Minister Simpson Miller has given the task to Luther Buchanan, the State Minister in the Office of the Prime Minister. It's in addition to his existing responsibilities for special projects and assignments.
The Ministry of Health has responsibility for over 300 rural healthcare centers, all at differing levels as far as the quality of infrastructure is concerned. Along with his additional duties, Minister Buchanan will provide leadership and oversight to ensure improved infrastructure exists for the delivery of rural healthcare throughout these centers and other facilities.
Mr. Buchanan's new role supports plans to establish a rural development task force within the Office of the Prime Minister. And finally, the Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission, JADCO, has a new board of commissioners headed by businessman R. Danny Williams. While thanking the former board for its service to the commission, Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner announced the members of the new JADCO Board recently.
The other members of the board are Dr. Winston Isle, Gary Peart, Deborah Martin, the Honorable Dennis Layla, Dr. Thelma Nelson, Anthony Lawrence, Dr. Patricia Honus, Carmen Tiplin, Reverend Devon Dick, and two official members, Jacqueline Lynn Stewart from the OPM and JADCO's Executive Director.
The board will serve for 3 years, ending December 2016. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.